How to log in to Bluesky account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Bluesky account. In order to log into your Bluesky account, first of all, you will need to ensure that you have already created an account on it. And once you have done that, open your Bluesky application on your mobile device. And once you reach to this page, here you'll be able to see two options: create account and sign in. Tap on the sign in button. Now this will take you to a new page. In this page, here you will need to select your account. Tap on your account name and then you will be asked to enter the password. Tap on the password box and enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here, otherwise you will not be able to log into your account. If in case you don't remember your password, you may also tap on the forgot option at the right side of it, and then you will need to follow the instructions in order to recover or reset your password. After that, you can enter the password in this box, and once you have entered it, tap on the next button right here. Wait for a moment and then you will see you have been successfully logged in to your Bluesky account. So now you have the access to your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in or sign in to your Bluesky account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.